Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Apple Maps not talking. So if Apple Maps are not talking, the first what I recommended to check is the physical switch at the left side at the top. So if you have iPhone 15 or less, but I guess iPhone 15 Pro have action button. So if you have previous version, just check the switch. If you have the red one, meaning that you have that you mute sound, so you need to unmute it. Or if you have action button, maybe you set up mute on the action button, so also you can click on it. Then is to open Apple Maps, and then control panel, or you can use physical buttons at the left side. Right here we have for volume control, and just increase the volume here. Next, maybe I will so next is to move to the settings, then scroll down, click at the apps at the bottom. Then you need to find Apple Maps, so scroll down or click at the M letter, enter into the apps, scroll down again, and you need to find spoken directions line. Tap at this line and set voice volume to normal or louder. Also, maybe you muted in the application, so also open Apple Maps, then select some direction. Okay, let's say this one. So let's move here, and we started with the car. Click go, and right here, as you can see, right now I have muted. So you need to click on it and I mute voice control. But let me end the road. You need to check for all these modes. If you unmuted for the car, you can still you can have it still muted for the walking or another modes. As you can see, I have muted, but I mute for the car. So you need to also unmute it here, and you can select the volume here. Also, you can set it to normal or louder. It's up to you. Okay, let me end the road. Next step is to reopen Apple Maps. So open previous application, previous closed, I guess it's called like that. Remove Apple Maps from here and then reopen it. Then check, maybe this fix your problem. If it doesn't, maybe you need to restart your phone. I mean, I use this application on the phone, so I need to restart the phone. If you use tablet, restart your tablet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.